Dear all, welcome back to the chapter Lines and Angles. In this period, we will move on to our new lesson, Angle Sum Property of a Triangle. As you know, a triangle has three angles. Let us name this triangle A, B, C. So the angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. Have you ever measured three angles of a triangle and tried to find the total? That's what our lesson is about. The sum. Sum means, as you know, to find the total. Total of all the three angles of a triangle. So here the question is, what is the measurement of angle A plus angle B plus angle C altogether? It's the same even if the triangle is an acute triangle, or a right triangle, or even an obtuse triangle. The total measurement will remain the same. It doesn't matter it's a small triangle or a large triangle. The total measurement will always be 180 degrees. Let us see how to prove it. We'll consider the triangle ABC. And first of all, as a previous knowledge, you need to recall on a protractor, it can form a straight line. When you draw a line at the base of the protractor, it can be a straight line and it measures from 0 to 180. This is the previous knowledge that you have to keep in your mind. This total angle is 180 degrees on a line. Now, for this triangle, let us consider a line which is parallel to BC. Parallel to BC, let us draw a line. So these two lines are parallel. Now you can see there is a line formed which is passing through A, or let us call it as line M. Line M is passing through A and it is parallel to the line segment BC. Now we can notice that there are three angles which are formed at the point A. Let us name it angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. And also, as we know, there are three angles inside the triangle. Let us name the rest of the angles as 4 and 5. Now, you know that these two lines are parallel. Line M and BC is parallel. So, by applying alternate interior angles, which is following a Z shape, angle 1 is the same as angle 4. So we can replace 4 by 1. So whenever you have angle 4, you can replace it by angle 1. And also at the other point, you can see there is another Z. So we can say angle 3 is the same as angle 5. So whenever you have angle 5, you can represent it by angle 3. Now at the point A, you can see that it's a straight line. And the total angle on a straight line is great. It is 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees because it is forming a straight line at the point A. Now, as we checked, angle 1 can be replaced by 4. So we are replacing angle 1 by 4. And 2 will remain the same, and 3 can be replaced by 5. And just have a look at 4, 2, and 5. Angle 2, angle 4, angle 5. These are the three angles in the triangle. So we can say that in any triangle, the sum of the three angles will give you 180 degrees. So let us see the theorem. The theorem says that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So that's a theorem that we just proved now. Based on this theorem, if you are asked to find the value of x, if one of the angle is 50 degrees and the other angle is 70 degrees, how do you find the value of x? There are no other extra information given to you. So first of all, we can start, because this is a triangle, the first angle plus the second angle plus the third angle. Altogether, it should be 180 degree because it is angle sum property, sum of angles in a triangle. So we know that it is 50 plus 70 is 120 and 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. This is how you can find a missing angle using the property, angle sum property of a triangle. Now let us move on to the second theorem of this lesson. Exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the two interior opposite angles. First of all, we have to see what is the meaning of exterior angle. Exterior angle means it is an angle formed between the shape and extending one of the sides. For example, we have the shape, the triangle here, extend one of the side. So this side is extended. So the angle which is formed between the extended side and the shape is called exterior angle. So this is an exterior angle. Let us see another shape. Here, the second side is extended. So extended side and the shape, this angle is an exterior angle. And let us see the third part, extending the third side of the triangle. So this is also an exterior angle. So what is an exterior angle? An angle formed between an extended side and the shape is called an exterior angle. So this is the exterior angle. Now, what does the theorem say? The exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. So if this is the exterior angle, let me name it E. What are the angles of this triangle? A, B, C. These are the angles of the triangle. And so they say that exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior, so interior is A is interior, B is interior, C is interior. But we can't take any interior, we have to take the opposite. To this exterior angle, the opposite angles are angle A and angle B only. C is not opposite, it is adjacent. So we have to take opposite angles, angle A plus angle B. So once again, the exterior angle, the angle outside will be equal to the sum of the other two angles. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Now let us move on to a new example. Here we are given the triangle PQR. Angle SPR is 30 degree and angle TQR is 40 degree. We have to find out what is X and Y. For that, first let us consider the triangle QTR. In triangle QTR, we can see that 40 degree and 90 degree are given and X is missing. So we can apply the angle sum property of a triangle. So 40 degree plus 90 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree angle sum property of a triangle. So we know that X is equal to 180 minus 130, which is equal to 50 degree. So we get the value of X. Now we have to find what is Y. To get Y, you know, Y is an exterior angle to the triangle PSR. So let us consider the triangle PSR. In triangle PSR, the exterior angle is Y. So Y is equal to 30 degree plus X. We studied exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite, not the adjacent, opposite. So 30 degree plus X. And you know X is 50 degree. So we can write Y is equal to 30 plus 50. Exterior angle property. or exterior angle theorem. So we write the answer y is equal to 80 degree. That was the missing part. Let's move on to another example. Here you are given two triangles ABC and triangle BOC. Now you have to find the angle or prove. Now you have to prove that angle BOC. Let us name it by, let's say, letter C is equal to 90 minus half of angle BAC, which is X. So we have to prove that angle C is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle X. This is what you have to prove. So they also gave you that these two angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle, and the other angle also, these two are equal because they said they are bisected. So if you name this as A, this will also be A. If this is B, this will also be B. Now let us consider triangles one by one. The first triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what can you notice? X plus Y plus Z is 180 degree. Because angle sum property. Now let us see the next triangle, which is BOC. So we can write in triangle BOC. What can you notice? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. A plus B plus C is 180 degree. The same reason. At B, what can you notice? Here you can see a straight line. So A plus Y is equal to 180 degree because it is forming a line. We can say that 2A plus Y is equal to 180 degree. But we need to know what is our A. So we can write 2A is equal to 180 minus Y, or A is equal to 180 divided by 2 and Y divided by 2. This is our A. Now again at the point C, we have the same rule, so we can continue. At C, B plus Z is equal to 180 degree because that is also forming a straight line. So we can rewrite 2B plus Z is equal to 180, or 2B is equal to 180 minus Z, or B is equal to 180 divided by 2 minus Z by 2. So we have A, we have B. Now let us continue from the same equation. A is 180 by 2, which is 90. So let us replace A plus B plus C is equal to 180 as A means 90 minus Y by 2. B means 90 minus Z by 2 plus C is equal to 180 degree. Now we have 90 plus 90 is 180. This get cancelled with the other 180. So we are left with C is equal to minus Y by 2 minus Z by 2. When you move to the other side, it will be plus. So Y by 2 plus Z by 2. Or we can rewrite C is equal to Y plus Z by 2. We need to know what is Y plus Z, so move 2 to the other side. So we can rewrite 2C is equal to Y plus Z. So we get Y plus Z is 2C. Now from the first equation, let me call this as the first equation. Equation 1 will give us X plus Y plus Z is 180 degree. X plus Y plus Z is 180 degree. But now you get Y plus Z is 2C. So X plus 2C is equal to 180 degree. Now we need to know what is our C. That is our question. So we will keep C there. So 2C is equal to 180 minus X. We need to get C, so divide by 2 on both the sides. So we get the answer C is equal to 90 degree minus X by 2. What is our X? It is BAC. So half of angle BAC. The only thing is we have to consider 4 parts. First is triangle ABC. Next is triangle BOC. And then we have to consider the line at the point B and consider the line at the point C. All these 4 equations, when you equate them, you will get the answer. The angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half BAC. Now let's move on to the exercise. 6.3, question 1. Here we are given a triangle PQR, and they said QP and RQ are extended to S and T. So QP is extended to S and RQ is extended to T to form SPR. SPR. This angle is 135 degree. It is given to you. And PQT. PQT. This angle is 110 degree. The question is to find PRQ. PRQ. We have to find this angle. Let us call it angle R. We have to find angle R. It is a very simple question. At the point P, you can see there is a line. So at P, 135 degree plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree because it is forming a linear pair. Here we can call the word linear pair because 2 angles are forming a straight line. So we can get angle RPQ is equal to 180 minus 135, which is 45 degree. So the angle inside is 45 degree. Now the next part is to find letter R. You know, by exterior angle property, letter R, angle R plus 45 degree will give you exterior angle. So by exterior angle property, we will get the exterior angle is 110 degree. 110 degree is equal to 45 degree. You know, it is interior opposite. From here, we have to take the opposite and then add them. So 45 degree plus angle R, which is PRQ. So we get the answer PRQ. PRQ is equal to 110 minus 45 degree. So angle PRQ is equal to 65 degree. That was the question, to find PRQ. It's a very simple question. Hope the idea is clear. And now the homework time. Draw 3 triangles of different size in your notebook. Measure all the 3 angles of each of the triangle. For example, you draw a 90 degree, a right triangle. Measure the other 2 angles, and this is 90 degree, and add all the angles and check what answer are you get for all the 3 different cases. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next